Hey, Will here with another tutorial. So this time I'm going to show you how you can install Elementor into a WordPress site, and it works very, very well. So if you're interested, go to willhaimerl.com/Elementor, and that will take you to the page where you can purchase your the plugin. So this is a really, really good plugin for WordPress, which allows you to make pages that you wouldn't normally be able to make. Plus, it can create pop-up forms and everything else that you really want to use. I'll show you an example real quick here of a page that's made with Elementor. So let's go to my other site. And you'll see this whole page is made with Elementor. So I've basically got a video that I can insert. This, click here now, and then a couple of testimonials. Super simple, but when I do click here now, it pops up to join the email list. So I'll just put my name for my site and then click submit. And this is all done in Elementor. This pop-up was done, the connection that redirects here to this other page. And what it just did in the background is I actually have Elementor talking to Zapier, or Zapier, whatever you call it, which is adding them to my email list and tagging them as somebody who's subscribed to my email list. So this is something that we can do very easily with Elementor. And for like $50 a year, I mean, it's a steal. It's an absolute steal. I think I have the one for 3 websites. I don't even know if they have it anymore. But even at $200 a year, man, this thing is amazing. Oh, on 3 websites for $99. Yeah, that's what I have. So I basically pay $100 a year, but I use this thing all the time for every single page. So once you have it, you'll see I've got my main site up and running here. Well, my install. So this is what it'll look totally different when you go to willhaimerl.com. But here's what it looks like right now, which is a standard WordPress installation, with the Hello World page. Looks kind of like bad. I can go into WordPress, log into my dashboard, and I can go through their themes and update the themes and all that. But I've always found that the themes that I get with WordPress just aren't as good. So if I can go to appearance and themes, and I can install any one of these that I want, and I can go and search for new ones, but it just doesn't look as good, right? Like I want something like this for a web page. And this is not the most artistic web page ever, but this was all done in Elementor, and you can see edit with Elementor. So that's what I kind of want my site to look like. So I'm going to go, I already bought mine, so I'm going to go here. This is kind of my members area. And what you're going to want to do is go up to the top right and click download. And then it's, in this case, Elementor Pro Advanced 9150609. Click that. And then down here in the bottom left, you can see, if I do show in folder, that there it is right there. And, well, it's on my other screen. So now I'm going to go into WordPress. I'm going to go into plugins. Where's my plugins? Plugins. And when you come to this page, you'll see I really have nothing installed on this. So I'm going to add a new one. And then I'm going to, right here, you can install all these. And there are a lot of really good free plugins that you can use as well. I just find that Elementor is the best one, the first one that I would install on any site. So this is kind of the start of my website here. So upload plugin, choose file. I'm going to go D drive, downloads, right there, open. And it says Elementor Pro 3.5.2 install now. So I'll click install now. Might take a minute. So it's unpacking, installed, successfully activate. So now I'm going to activate the plugin. Before you can use all the features, you must install and activate the plugin first. I think I did. Pretty sure I did. So let's hit reload. And see what happens on the plugin page here. We'll just exit on the bottom part here. Might take a second to load. I don't know why my site's so slow today. I do have really good hosting too. Strange. But on the, once it does load up here, you'll see on the side I'll have the menu will change a little bit. And I'll have the option to go in here and look at it. Let's go to dashboard. Oh, install, maybe that's why. successfully installed. Oh, okay, so the first one is Elementor, and then I got the Pro version. Alright, that's why. Connect and activate. Connect and activate your license. Elementor Pro, activate. And that should put it into my dashboard there. Nope, I'm going to use that account. And you can see here down on the side now, I've got everything ready to go. So let's say my page looks like this right now, my main page. So I want to create a page now. I'll go to all pages. You'll see I don't really have anything on here. I do have to add like the privacy policy and terms and conditions and earnings disclaimer. I will add all that, but for now, I want to add new. And I'm just going to make a page here called intro. So let's go the block editor, make each block your own, get to know, learn how to use. Okay, that's fine. I think there's a way here to switch back to the code. Hang on. It doesn't even really matter. I'll just call this intro. And then click publish. And then click publish again. Page publish. So now that it's published, I can go edit with Elementor. And this will load up a dashboard from Elementor, which I'm still inside my site. But it'll look a little bit different. So you can see they default to this, but I do not want this. I want a blank canvas. So if you go down here in the bottom left, go to settings, and on page layout, go to Elementor canvas. And this will just load a completely blank one. And you can see it's still got the green background though, so I gotta set that to different. I'll change that in a second. It's under settings, I think. Featured image, hide title. There is a way. It was under style. Just one sec. Okay, it's actually right here. Click this and then you can change the color to whatever you want. So we can go anything. So I'm just going to go white. And now I basically have a blank template that I can use. And what I can do is I could insert like my logo here. And I could go up here now. I can click the plus and go to an image on the side. I think there's an image one. Or you can search widgets too. So let's go image. And then I'll just drag this in here. It's drag and drop. And now it's got that. And then I'm going to go to full. But I'm also going to mouse over the image, choose image, upload files. So I'll select my file for my logo, which will be right here. Then I'll insert the media. You can see I've got that, and then I could insert another one. I could say plus, and then I could put a font in here if I want. So go to heading, say coming soon, and then I could center this too if I want. Over here, center. I can change the color. So right now the alignment, if I go to style, text color is that kind of blue. I don't like that. So I'd rather go with like a kind of like that. Update. And now when I go back here to the three bars and view page, this is what the page looks like. And I can go now to my dashboard and I can go to appearance, or sorry, settings, reading, and I can go a static page. My home page can be intro, and my post page can be sample, and I'm going to click save. Now, once that's saved, when I visit the site, my main site says my logo and coming soon. So that's how easy it is to use Elementor. I screwed up on the background thing. I apologize for that. But it's super easy to use. And then if I want to edit this page and change it, which I will want to do later, I just click on Edit with Elementor. And now I've got all my drag and drop options. Like I can put videos, buttons, spacers, icons, Google Maps, price tables, table of contents, countdowns. I can put countdowns in here. So watch this. Go here, like so, and then I'll put a countdown. Hit this panel right here, and then go to countdown. I'll put it right here. And now I can do a countdown. So I could say, it could be evergreen or a due date. I could set this to maybe, go back here. We're at the 19th, so say I want this to go here. And then at 6:35, whatever it is. And then I can change all the colors too. So I could go style, and again, it's going to that blue, and maybe I want it like gray, or black, or I don't know. Maybe I want to pick that kind of gold color out of my logo. So I can really do whatever I want. There we go. So now my main page, when I go to it, how's that? Nice countdown timer, super simple, super easy to do. Now I've got a lot of work to do. I've got to add in like my privacy policy, terms and conditions, and earnings disclaimer at minimum. But really, for our website, all you really need is 3 pages. You need your landing page, which is where people go on the main domain. Then you need like a contact us page on how they can reach you, and then an about us page. You have those 3 pages on a website, you're good to go. Okay, so maybe in another video, if you guys want, let me know in the comments if you want to see more on how to do the website stuff, because I really do like the website stuff. It's super easy to do, and I enjoy it. But if you're going to do it, get WordPress, install that, and then install this plugin, Elementor. Go to willhaimerl.com /Elementor to go through my affiliate link. If you don't want to use my link, then just go direct to Elementor, and you can see everything that they can do. It's amazing. It's the best one that I've found, big time. Works very, very well. So you'll see, maybe by the time you see this, you'll see this landing page is actually the registration form for my webinar, and then after that, it will go to a thank you page. But in between, there'll be a pop-up where people enter their name and email to get on the webinar. And then that I'll use Zapier, or Zapier, I don't know how you pronounce it, to add them to my email list so I know that that person registered for my webinar. Anyway, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you'd like to see anything else as far as Elementor goes, but go get it now. Install WordPress and install Elementor, and you've got a powerful 1-2 punch for making a website. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.